Welcome to today's episode where we dive into the world of real estate investment and uncover how Kansas City is becoming a key destination for those looking to build passive income. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding the secrets to successful real estate investment in this Midwest hub can significantly enhance your financial portfolio. Let's break down the essential steps and strategies to thriving in Kansas City's real estate market. Brought to you by Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. Kansas City, with its robust economy and vibrant cultural scene, offers unique opportunities for real estate investors. The city's growth, fueled by strong job creation and demographic trends, provides a fertile ground for real estate investments that yield substantial passive income. However, the key to unlocking this potential isn't just in choosing the right city, it's in understanding and executing the right strategies. The first secret to success in Kansas City real estate is location selection. Kansas City is diverse, with neighborhoods that cater to different lifestyles and budgets. Investing in areas like the River Market or the Crossroads Arts District, known for their rapid development and increasing property values, can offer lucrative returns. Meanwhile, suburban areas like Overland Park provide stability with continuous demand for family homes. Next, let's talk about the importance of property type. In Kansas City, both residential and commercial properties present valuable opportunities. Residential properties, especially multi-family units, can generate consistent rental income. On the other hand, commercial properties, driven by Kansas City's growing reputation as a business-friendly environment, can offer higher yields if managed properly. Now, managing properties effectively is crucial for maintaining steady passive income. This is where Alpine Property Management Kansas City comes into play. With our expert team handling day-to-day operations, from tenant screening to maintenance and rent collection, your investment is optimized for maximum profitability without the daily hassles that typically come with property ownership. Additionally, our We Buy Houses program is an essential component for many investors looking to quickly expand or adjust their portfolios. Whether you're looking to offload a property fast or find new investment opportunities, Alpine Property Management Kansas City offers competitive prices and swift transactions, simplifying the process so you can focus on scaling your investments. Effective property management extends beyond just keeping your units occupied. It includes strategic upgrades and renovations that can significantly increase property value and appeal. At Alpine, we assess each property individually to determine the most cost-effective improvements that could boost your return on investment. These might include updating kitchens and bathrooms, enhancing curb appeal, or adding technological conveniences that attract modern tenants. Understanding the financial landscape is another crucial aspect. Savvy investors in Kansas City take advantage of favorable tax conditions and relatively low property prices to maximize their investment's potential. It's important to work with a property management company like Alpine, which understands local tax laws and can help navigate financial complexities to ensure your investments are as profitable as possible. Finally, the ultimate secret to building passive income through real estate in Kansas City is leveraging local expertise. Alpine not only provides comprehensive management services, but also offers insights into market trends, future growth areas, and investment strategies tailored to the Kansas City environment. This local expertise is invaluable in making informed decisions that align with market dynamics. Continuing our exploration into unlocking the potential of real estate investments in Kansas City, let's delve deeper into the critical factors that enhance the success of your portfolio. It's not just about purchasing the right properties, it's about ongoing management, strategic refinements, and keeping pace with the market's evolution. Understanding market trends is fundamental. Kansas City is known for its dynamic growth, but the real secret lies in pinpointing which areas are set to flourish and when. This requires a keen eye on development projects, zoning changes, and economic shifts within the city. We stay ahead of these trends, providing investors with timely updates and strategic advice that ensure your investments capitalize on these changes rather than being left behind. Another key element is tenant management. The value of your real estate investment is directly tied to the quality of tenants it attracts. This involves more than just filling vacancies. It's about attracting and retaining the right tenants who value their rental space and, in turn, maintain its condition and adhere to lease terms. Alpine Property Management takes a proactive approach in tenant selection, utilizing rigorous screening processes and maintaining open lines of communication with tenants. This not only enhances tenant satisfaction but also stabilizes your rental income stream. Maintenance and upgrades also play a crucial role in sustaining and increasing the value of your property. In a market like Kansas City, where historic charm meets modern living, the need to balance aesthetic appeal with modern functionality is essential. Alpine Property Management excels in identifying and executing the most beneficial upgrades and repairs, ensuring that properties not only meet current market standards, but stand out to potential tenants and buyers. This proactive approach to property upkeep not only prevents costly future repairs, but also actively increases the property's market value. Furthermore, understanding and mitigating risks is crucial in real estate investment. This involves regular assessments of property conditions, staying compliant with housing regulations, and ensuring all properties are adequately insured. Alpine Property Management handles these aspects meticulously, providing peace of mind and safeguarding your investments against unforeseen liabilities. Investing in real estate also means dealing with financial intricacies, from tax implications to optimizing cash flows. Effective financial management can significantly affect the profitability of your real estate investments. Alpine provides comprehensive financial services, including detailed reporting and strategic planning, to ensure that every dollar invested works its hardest for you. Whether it's maximizing tax benefits, managing costs, or planning for future expansions, Alpine's expertise in financial management is an invaluable asset to any investor. In wrapping up, the journey to building a successful real estate portfolio in Kansas City is multifaceted. It requires a deep understanding of the local market, strategic asset management, and an expert partner who can navigate the complexities of property investment. Alpine Property Management Kansas City is dedicated to transforming your real estate investments into robust sources of passive income through meticulous management, strategic insight, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Thank you for exploring the path to passive income through real estate investment in Kansas City with us. If you're ready to take your investments to the next level, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to guide you every step of the way. With our comprehensive services and local expertise, we are your partners in building a prosperous future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into real estate investment. Your engagement helps us continue to provide the best strategies and updates for investors like you. Together, let's tap into the rich potential of Kansas City's real estate market and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Here's to a successful investment journey with Alpine Property Management Kansas City at your side.